Hi, this is Gary Podock, Service Manager at Lexus of Madison. I wanted to take you upstairs in our parts department to let you know that we offer a service that a lot of our customers aren't aware of. So right now we have our tires on special. So when you buy 4 tires, you get $100 off. When you buy 2 tires, you get $50 off. We also have brakes on special, $25 off per axle through the month of April. I'm bringing you up upstairs in parts because we actually have a service that we offer to our customers who buy tires here that we will store your summer or winter tires. So right now, if you're driving on your winter tires and you need some summer tires, this is a great time to do it because you'll get that $100 off when you buy 4. And why don't you come with me? We will store your winter tires for you and vice versa. If you need to switch, take your summers off and put your winters on, and you buy your tires with us here at Lexus of Madison, we will store your tires for you. We store them for the life of the tire, so when they get down to 3 or 4 32nds of an inch, we will ask that we will dispose of them or you guys can take them. But again, this is a free service that we offer our customers who buy tires here. Feel free to take advantage of it. And again, the sale ends at the end of the month. Lexus of Madison, Gary, give us a call, 608-829-8900.